What's up, guys? This is me Nikita, and you're watching That Gypsy Girl. If you're new to the channel, then don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to get latest update.
So what's up guys, it's me Nikita aka That Gypsy Girl. How you doing? So in today's video you might have known it from the title that what the video is about. So yes guys, I thought of shooting a haul video and here it is. Most of the purchases are from west side cause it had an amazing deal going on that if you purchase it on your birthday month then you will get a 200% off from your purchase, but it has to be around 5,000 or more than 5,000, then only the offer is applicable. So yes, I did it, and let me just show you what all stuff I got. So yeah guys, this is the this is the bag of clothes that I bought, and let's just get started. So for my birthday month offer, I thought of buying a lot of tops because your girl is currently out of some girly tops. So here it is. So this is the first top that I bought from West Side, and this is how it looks like. It is a blue navy color top which has a V-neck and has a cute little print on it, like a floral print, which definitely shows it's girly. Oh, yeah, just that's just joke, okay? Just don't mind it, okay? It's just a joke, don't take it seriously. So yeah, this is the top and it cost me around
A few inches later.
so this top cost me around 1300, and I totally agree with the price because the quality is very good and the size also fits me well. Yeah guys, so this is how it looks like. Let's move on to the next top. So it is from the boys section, and I'm kinda into the boys section when it comes to t-shirt or shirts because it fits me well and I like the comfiness of it. So here is a graphic top that I bought from a west side, and this has a cute um what uh what is the color, I don't remember. I like the soft color going on in this shirt, and it has a thing going on the middle which says summer forever, but currently it's winter, so we'll just chuck the vibe and just wear it because it's super cute as you can see. And trust me, you won't find such tops like such shirts in the women's section, so I would totally recommend you guys to get it from the boys section because it's gonna be totally worth it. That's what I do. And the one I'm wearing is also from the men's section. So yeah, this is what the shirt looks like, and it cost me around um 600, a bargain deal, man. For the same thing in the girls section, it will cost around more than 600, obviously. So I would totally recommend you guys to buy it from the boys section because it's gonna be total bargain. So on to the next item. So this is the dress that I bought from my birthday, but apparently I was not able to shoot any pictures in this, but I'll do it in the future for sure. And if you want to see the pictures, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. The link for my account is in the description below, or you'll get the options you'll get the pop-outs in my video itself. So yeah, this is how the dress looks like. It's a bright ochre yellow kind of color, and it is kind of summery, but apparently I didn't wear it on my birthday because I didn't get to celebrate it well. Yeah, so this cost me around 1300 exactly, as the same price of the top. Like most of the tops and shirt, everything is ranged from 1300 to 700, I guess. So yeah, this is how it looks like. It has a chicken curry vibe to it, but also it is a western dress.
Okay, let me just fix it because I wore it once, like more than once actually. So
So this is the next top, and it has a boho vibe going in it, like all the details in this area if you can see. And I like the color combination, which is a peach color and a white in it, and the tassel and the neck detailing, guys. Yes, the neck detailing is quite cute for a boho look, and you can totally create different variety of looks out of it. And this cost me around I guess 1000, yeah, 999. So it almost cost me around 1000, and the quality is really good, and the material is of cotton, guys. Yay! So this was a total win-win situation because I'm a big fan of bohemian fashion, so this was a bargain for me. So let's move on to the next item. Okay, so apparently I was out of lot of pant options, like bottoms options for creating a look, so I thought of buying one. So I bought this what it is called, paperback kind of pant, and it has a fake tie, but it's totally fine because this pant is elastic. But I think I bought a bigger size. I think it's kind of loose in my body, it doesn't fits me well, but the quality is pretty good, and it also cost me around 1300 for sure, and it has a back pocket too. So I guess it's a total bargain situation because apparently these kind of pants are rarely available in stores, and I was lucky to find one in Westside. So yes, guys, this is a bargain for me. So let's move on to the next item, which is this basic top, which has a denim vibe going on, but this is a burgundy color. If you can see, I don't know if the camera is doing the justice to you, but this is totally in a darker shade if you see it in naked eyes. So yeah, this is how it looks like. It has a low high situation in the bottom going on, and I wanted this look to create different looks in the winter, because apparently the winter is coming, so I guess this will give me a lot of looks. And it cost me around 1500. I think it's pretty expensive for this simple piece of clothing. I think it should be around 1000, but it's fine because it's gonna give a lot of help in creating different looks and outfit at the same time, and content for my Instagram and a lot of other social sites. From West Side was this top, which is from men's section, because I'm obsessed with the pattern that men's shirt get, but we don't get that, because apparently you can see the difference what is going on here. So yeah, I thought of getting this because it was kind of cool and kind of chill vibe going on. So I thought of buying it, and it cost me around, guess what, it cost me around 600, guys. No, wait, it cost me around 1000, guys, and I thought it's a pretty good deal because this cost me around 1500 and this cost me around 1000. Then you know what happened here. So I would totally recommend you guys to get the shirts and t-shirts from the men's section, because it's gonna be more cheaper and it's gonna fit you well. Trust me, it would help you later. So that was it for the clothing haul that I bought from West Side. Let's move on to the accessories that I bought from West Side. So lately I've been obsessed with scrunchies, but it costs too much online. Like the synthetic material costs like around 1000 or something, but guess what, these two together came in pairs, so it cost me around 400. And I think it's pretty good deal because most of the websites have it, but it's too pricey. So I would totally recommend you guys, if you are into scrunch, then you should totally get them from Westside, because I think it's a bargain situation, and you can also DIY it, I guess. But I thought of buying it because this is kind of unique. Thing that I bought is my favorite thing out of the whole thing, because I'm obsessed with rings, and it had like 1 2 3 4 4 4 5 6, so 6 rings in it, and I almost
Toy. Ito din siya. Wait, how many rings are there?
So the next item that I bought from Westside was a pack of rings, which had 5 rings in it, and 2 of them are still here. And these are the 3 rings that I use currently for creating different looks and accessorizing it. And this is how it looks like. I don't know if you can see it, but let me just show you these two. So these are of a really good quality, and the color also doesn't fade so far. But I would still recommend you guys to put a transparent nail polish ka coating in the inner circle, so that if you sweat also the color doesn't fade off much faster than it is supposed to. You know what I mean? Like, yeah, I would totally recommend you that hack to prevent the prevent the rings from fading the colors. So yeah, also a fan of rings like me, then I would totally recommend you guys to get it from West Side, because it has tons of Indian jewelries and literally everything that you need to accessorize for like Western or Indian look. So yeah, this cost me around 300, like 5 rings in a packet, and that cost me around 300. Then it's a pretty good deal. So I would totally recommend you guys to have these kind of rings, because it would totally help you guys to accessorize the look and level up the look. To the next purchase that I did from Amazon. Apparently there's a big deal going on like in Amazon, so I thought of doing a little shopping there and bought a few of the things, and few of the things will be coming soon because I ordered it later, because I noticed the things later. You know what I mean. So okay, let me just get started with what I bought from Amazon in clothing section. So I bought this turtleneck. If you follow me on Insta, then you know that I have created so much look, and literally I'm obsessed with the quality. And this is a long sleeve turtleneck which fits me like pretty good, and it's in size medium. And all the clothing and all the tops and dress that I bought from West Side was also medium small range between them. So let's move on to the next item. So the next item is I bought a layered necklace from this brand from Amazon, and it is also available on Instagram. You can check out their page on Instagram, or you can get it from Amazon like me. So this is how it looks like it's in packet obviously. So it is a 4 layered necklace, and it is a pretty good quality one. So I'm really impressed with the quality, and this is how it looks like. Okay, wait, it's tangled. Let me just fix it. Okay, so this is how it looks like you cannot see it in the light, but if I put it on this, then you can totally see. So this is a pretty good quality necklace, and I would totally recommend you guys to invest in such pieces, because it's gonna elevate your look to a different level, and you're gonna look pricey, my friend. So I would totally recommend you guys to invest in such pieces. So yeah, this was a bargain. Let's move on to the last bag of the haul. So that I've been working out, but apparently I didn't have proper clothing for that. So I thought of buying some track pants and sports bra, because I didn't have one, and here it is. So I went to Adidas and got some basic Adidas track pants that most of the people have, like the black and 3 white stripes going in the side. And this one is the high-waisted one, and the quality is pretty advanced from the older one, I think, because older ones was a thick one and this one is a thinner one, like a swimsuit material, and it cost me obviously around 2500. And the one that I had earlier was also the same price and also the same design, just the difference was this one is high-waisted and that one is ankle length. It is going according to the trend. So yeah, this is the track pant, and the sports bra is like a basic fluorescent color, and it cost me around 2500. I think if you invest like a good amount in these, I think it will last longer, and I think that's worth it. So that was it for the haul, guys. If you guys find anything informative or helpful for you guys, then don't forget to hit like. And if you're new to the channel, then don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so that whenever I upload any video, then you get notified earlier. And yeah, that's it for today. I'll be posting more consistently, hopefully, fingers crossed. Yeah, that's it for today. Okay, bye, peace out.
Bye.